Now I know that the title says rally footage, and I promise I'm going to get there in just a second. I just want to talk about a couple of things super briefly so I can kind of update about where I've been. So ever since the rally happened, I've been super busy with work, and actually before the rally happened, I've been really busy with work, which is why I've had about 2 or 3 videos come out in a month. Terrible upload rate, and I apologize for that. Just my priority is my real life with work, and this is more of a hobby right now, to where it can only happen when I actually have free time and I can actually edit videos, which lately hasn't been very often. Now that you know a little bit about like why I haven't been posting very much, or why I've been so busy or late on getting out the rally footage and whatnot, I apologize for it once again. But the real reason why I'm adding this little intro into this part is I kind of want to have a question and answer type thing, if you guys are into that. Within like the next week, probably this weekend or something like that, with me and my wife. So if you guys feel free, drop in all the questions that you have on this video about the rally, about the build, anything like that, and we'll try to answer it. It'll be for myself and my wife, so let's be polite about stuff. But yeah, if you have any questions, I mean, about anything, like how rallies ran, what we found the most fun part, whatever you guys can come up with. I'm sure you guys have questions. How tech inspection looked, like what the actual schedule of the rally kind of looked like, what we struggled with, I don't know, just stuff like that. That would definitely add to it a lot more if you guys could come up with a bunch of questions if you're actually curious about it. I definitely would really appreciate it, and it'd kind of make the experience more fun for myself and my wife, kind of get her involved a little bit more in the channel. And she did really well calling the stage notes, so that's really cool too. We had a blast doing it. She had a lot of fun. She was definitely better at calling notes than I was processing them and driving. That's something that I really need to work on. But there'll be plenty of time for that in the future, because I definitely don't plan on stopping rally anytime soon. Just kind of limited by time and money, because they're definitely not cheap, and it's not cheap to maintain that car, which is currently broken, which I'll go over all in that video. I kind of want to do like a recap of how the rally went, and then kind of get into the Q&A after that, as long as we have some questions, because I'm not going to like do a question and answer if I've got like 2 questions, because I could probably just spit those out really quick. So if you got questions, feel free to ask. I like answering questions, whatever. I'm bad about responding to comments lately with how busy I've been, and I'll try to get better about that too. Another thing that I would like to ask you guys, if you do like the videos, and if you know anybody that's into cars, rally, likes watching YouTube videos of cars being built or anything like that, and you think my videos are cool or whatever, I would so appreciate if you guys shared it with somebody you know. It'd be awesome if we could grow this channel a lot, and I really need other people's help to do that. I can't just keep making videos on my own and hope that they kind of like keep catching on and whatnot, because the growth is pretty slow. But I'm super happy with whatever. But if you guys did decide to actually help and start sharing the videos, whatever, liking them, commenting, stuff like that really does help. But only do it if you actually want to. So without further ado, here's the rally footage. Please excuse my very poor driving and processing of notes. This is the 3rd stage of the day, so I'm still getting very used to it. I start to get a little bit more warmed up and more comfortable in my skills, and trying to drive a little bit faster near the end of the stage and into the next stage. So you guys will see that video out tomorrow if I got time to throw it out. So sorry for rambling so long in the beginning. Here you go.